Hey guys.
Digital map layout, program, animatronics, or security. This room is hidden to customers, visible to animatronics, and is always off camera.
Gotta talk to you about something.
As always, remember to smile for the face.
Okay. So you know that marionette mask that's here? Well, whenever that Springtrap goes into that room, the mask disappears. If we can get him into that room, I'll show you, okay?
Hi.
Come on. When I see a ventilation error, I think someone's in the vents. Oh no. Okay, nope. Oh, there you are. Okay.
Hi.
Okay, see? The marionette mask disappeared. But we have to go. I'm watching TV, so if you hear noises in the background, don't worry. It's just... Okay, now it's back, so... I knew that was coming, so it didn't scare me, so...
Here's my day so far. Went to jail, lost the girl of my dreams, and got my butt kicked pretty good. Still, things could be a lot worse.
Hi.
Oh, that's right. I'm falling to my death. Guess they can't. How did it all come to this, you ask? My end starts the beginning.
Why?
The very beginning. Yes, that's me. I had a fairly standard childhood. I came from what you might call a broken home. Literally broken. I was 8 days old and still living with my parents. How sad is that? Clearly, I
Oh, dang it. I got jump scared. Well, I guess that's the end of this episode.